Today's recipe is quick and easy morning breakfast or evening snack recipe. A French toast. Welcome to Splashy. Bite to taste. For the French toast, I have taken 2 eggs. Add half cup of milk so the toast will be smooth and fluffy. It enhances the taste and reduce the raw egg smell. Now I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder and salt for the taste and a pinch of pepper powder. Whisk all the ingredients together. Sugar is optional over here. For the toast I have taken sweet bread, so I have not added. Heat the pan and add a spoon of butter. Dip bread slice both the sides on egg mixture. Place the slice on the pan. Leave it for a minute in a low flame. Flip the bread slice to cook another side. I'm adding butter to the pan to fry another toast. With this egg mixture, we can make 5 to 6 toast. Using the cutter, I am slicing the toast to another 2 halves. Add a pinch of pepper and serve it hot. Tasty and soft bread toast is ready. I hope you do this recipe. If you like the recipe, please let me know in the comments and give me thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel.